Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to pin someone on TikTok account. So pinning someone on your messenger is a very simple process. So first log into your account and open the application. Right now I'm at the profile section, so just go to the inbox section, click here, and now you can see that multiple people are here. If you want to pin someone to the top, so you just need to click on the profile. You want to pin the person, so just click on the profile. If you want to pin this profile to the top here, so just click on the cat menta 2. So I just open the profile, so now you can see that three dot here, so just click here, and that's it. You have found that option is pin to top. So now enable this option. So that's how you can pin to the top any profile on TikTok accounts. So this is how you can pin someone on the top of the chat. So this is a very simple process, and that's how you can do it. So that's for the video, and if you found this video very helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.